Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here, friends. This is the end of September. September turned out better than I had expected, and we are just getting into October, which is one of the dreaded months in my opinion. I could be wrong once again, but we should be careful. That said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. As always, we are going to look at the indices first, and I see a sea of red out here. Dow futures, S&P futures, as well as Nasdaq futures are all mildly negative, and S&P futures I think indicates that we might be getting into a consolidation stage for S&P 500. We'll check all those details later in the video. One of the headings that I see here is Michigan nuclear plant finalizes federal loan to support first reactor restart in US history. Now, this is very good news for uranium sector and nuclear sector, because we have a lot of news about recommissioning nuclear facilities as well as starting new mini nuclear facilities and so on, especially due to the energy consumption by AI data centers. So this is an area where people, if they are able to trade in metals and other commodities, they should be able to take advantage of. So that said, we are looking at treasury yields rising as investors consider inflation outlook. When the yield goes up, the face value goes down, and as a result of which people might put their money into the treasury market, and some of that money will go out of the stock market. That's the way I understand it. And what else do we have here that is of interest? Oil markets not pricing in all-out war with Israel after Israel kills Hezbollah leader. So I have looked at the heat map, and I have seen the oil sector, and our energy sector is definitely all in the green. So I think the pricing has taken place. Even this is the heat map as of Friday. But anyway, that's another headline article that I can see that's of interest to me. And what else do we have here that are of any importance? So that's about it. So that's all we got here. Auto industry. Stellantis and Aston Martin shares drop sharply after profit warnings amid China woes. A lot of money is getting into China, and I believe that the Chinese government has mandated that its employees should not use Apple phones. That's why I think Huawei is going up. At least that's what I gather from the news. So if that kind of approach is taken, then most of the US products will have difficulty selling in China, and as a result of which there should be some amount of repricing for companies with a big American companies with a big footprint in China. That action could probably happen in the month of October. That's one possibility. Let's go to look at the economic calendar, and you would note that the last time we had Fed Chair Powell speaking, that was Thursday, September 26, 2024 at 9:20 a.m. Since then, on Friday, we got the core PCE, personal income, month over month, and personal spending. All of them came below forecast, and all of them almost came below the consensus. So today we have Fed Chair Powell speaking at 1:55 p.m. We should probably expect a very dovish approach from Fed Chair Powell, trying to recalibrate market expectations. So maybe more rate cuts are in order. Let us see what happens in that particular session at 1:55 p.m. Maybe on the run up to 1:55, and after 1:55 we'll have some volatility. We will watch and we'll learn. Next, let's go to the stock market heat map, and it's a sea of red except for energy. So the repricing probably is already in place for energy and oil and gas, and oil and gas equipment services, because I think with all the geopolitical conflicts and a revival of the economy due to low rates, I think energy and utilities will all go up. Utilities also all green, and we are seeing a sea of red in the Mag 7 and the technology area, the financials, and even consumer defensives is reliably red. So I think volatility is ahead. This month should be as difficult as I expected, but I'm looking at very early indicators for Editas. Editas is up around 0.29% pre-trade, and CRISPR Therapeutics is down 0.04% pre-trade. I don't know if this is the beginning of a response to the news about withdrawal of 2 patent applications by Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuel Charpentier. We'll see as the day progresses, but at least we are seeing a glimmer here. So today I'm going to start off with genomics. PACB is up 1.71%. IMTX is flat in pre-market trade. Blue is up 1.98% pre-market. Ginkgo Bioworks is up 1.48% pre-market. Prime has no trades pre-market. Allogene has no trades pre-market. Iowa is down 0.62% pre-market. And we have Beam Therapeutics with no trades pre-market. Intelia has no trades pre-market. Editas, as I said, is up 0.29% pre-market. And if you look at the Editas chart, we are in this consolidation range. So it would be a good risk reward ratio at this time to buy Editas at 3.48, because you would probably have a chance to sell it around $4. So you're looking at a 52 cents per share gain, which is phenomenal for a share of this face value or this price. So that's one idea to consider. Again, my personal opinion, not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence. Then we have Altimmune, which is up 0.15% pre-market. It's already below this diagonal line of support, so I'm going to recalibrate this diagonal line of support and look at a new bull channel, and hopefully we stay above that. Next we have Caribou Biosciences, which is down 3.54% pre-market. CRISPR is down 0.04% pre-market. Again, we have the support at 44.58, which is what I would be eyeing for CRISPR Therapeutics, because the chances of it coming down is more than the chances of it going up, given the recent news. Bionano Genomics up 0.02%. ARCG is down 0.20%. It's still traveling within this cone. And we have Grail, which is up 0.14%. Illumina is down 0.91% pre-market. Verve Therapeutics has got no trades pre-market. Last week, CRISPR started outperforming QQQ. It had a nice jump out here. And as far as ARCG is concerned, CRISPR did better than ARCG last week. So it's all moving in the right direction. But the news that we saw and the pre-market action that we saw with CRISPR indicates that we are going to see red candles out here unless QQQ performs worse than CRISPR. Next, let us look at AI. And in AI, we have got Google down 0.05%, but still above the level of support at 164.49, because we are right now at 165.20. So I'm going to convert this into a support out here. And then we go to Tesla, which is up 0.12%, still above this support at 255.91. So I'm going to color this support as green. We have Apple, which is up 0.91%. We have a reverse head and shoulder pattern out here, and I'm hesitating to draw a target here because of the news from China. Next, look at Meta, which is up 0.09%. It is also traveling towards the reverse head and shoulder target. Amazon is down 0.30%. Microsoft is down 0.17%. Seems like we are not going to meet this target out here of a double bottom, which was at 451.50. Our next support happens to be at 425.30. AMD is down 1.30%. Palantir is down 0.73%. FNGU is down 1.17%. Broadcom is down 1.49%. Oracle is up 0.15%. Micron Technology is down 1.40%. Cloudflare is down 0.22%. And then we have NVIDIA, which is down 1.83%. Qualcomm is down 0.69%. Let's go back to NVIDIA. NVIDIA is still just on top of this diagonal line of support. We'll see today if it continues to stay above or it resolutely falls below, in which case this diagonal line of resistance from the previous channel will become a support, and we may probably follow this as a bear channel all the way down to 106.91. Next, let's come on to SMCI. SMCI is down 0.84%, ARM is down 2.55%, and we have ASML, which is up 0.17%. Intel is down 1.30%. FNGD is up 1.18%, and we have semiconductors ETF SMH, which is down 1.93%. So things are looking a little bleak for semiconductors today, and I think we'll see what happens when the market opens, especially Fed Chair Powell's speech is also there, and of course we are heading into a volatile month in my opinion. So friends, please give me your thoughts on how the market is going to shake up for the month of October, and how you did in the month of September. I think CRISPR probably is going to face a little bit of down, and Editas is probably going to get an opportunity to get a little bit stronger or set up a new baseline for its price. That's my thoughts in this morning, and we'll catch up with you again in the next video. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.